Warehouse management software, or WMS, is a critical tool for modern businesses seeking to streamline their inventory, improve accuracy, and boost efficiency. However, many companies rush into purchasing decisions without fully understanding their needs or the software's capabilities. In this video, we'll explore the biggest mistake companies make when buying warehouse management software and how to avoid falling into the same trap. Let's start by understanding what WMS is and why it's so important for today's supply chain operations. A robust WMS can transform warehouse operations from receiving goods to shipping orders. It automates processes, reduces manual errors, and provides real-time visibility into inventory. For companies dealing with large volumes of products, the right WMS is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. But with so many options available, making the right choice can be overwhelming. This is where many organizations stumble, often focusing on the wrong priorities during the selection process. The biggest mistake companies make when buying warehouse management software is failing to align the software's features with their actual business needs. Too often, decision makers are swayed by flashy features, persuasive sales pitches, or the reputation of a vendor, rather than conducting a thorough needs assessment. This can lead to purchasing a system that is either too complex, too simple, or simply incompatible with existing workflows. Before even looking at software options, companies should take the time to map out their current warehouse processes. What are the pain points? Where are the inefficiencies? What are the must-have features versus nice-to-haves? By clearly defining these requirements, businesses can create a checklist that guides their software search and ensures they focus on solutions that truly address their unique challenges. Another common oversight is failing to involve key stakeholders in the selection process. Warehouse staff, IT teams, and even finance departments all have unique perspectives and requirements. By bringing these voices to the table early, companies can avoid costly missteps and ensure the chosen WMS will be embraced and effectively used by everyone involved. It's tempting to rely solely on vendor presentations or marketing materials, but real-world testing is essential. Request demos tailored to your workflows and, if possible, arrange for a trial period. This hands-on approach allows your team to evaluate usability, compatibility, and whether the software truly meets your operational needs before making a commitment. A WMS rarely operates in isolation. It must integrate smoothly with other business systems, such as ERP, shipping platforms, and accounting software. Overlooking integration requirements can lead to data silos, manual workarounds, and increased errors. Always assess how well a potential WMS will connect with your existing technology stack. Your business may be growing, and your WMS should be able to grow with you. Scalability is often overlooked, but it's crucial to ensure the software can handle increased transaction volumes, new warehouse locations, or expanded product lines. Ask vendors about their scalability roadmap and real-world examples of customers who have scaled successfully. Some companies believe heavy customization is the answer to every unique process. However, excessive customization can lead to higher costs, longer implementation times, and future upgrade challenges. It's important to strike a balance. Choose a WMS that fits your core needs out of the box with the flexibility to adapt where it truly matters. The sticker price of a WMS is just the beginning. Companies often underestimate the total cost of ownership, which includes implementation, training, support, upgrades, and potential downtime. A thorough cost analysis helps avoid unpleasant surprises and ensures the investment delivers long-term value. Even the best WMS can fail if implementation is rushed or poorly managed. Common pitfalls include inadequate training, lack of change management, and unrealistic timelines. Successful implementation requires careful planning, clear communication, and ongoing support to ensure a smooth transition. A WMS is only as effective as the people using it. Comprehensive user training is essential for maximizing the benefits of the new system. Training should be ongoing, with refreshers and updates as the software evolves. This investment in people pays off through higher productivity and fewer errors. Introducing a new WMS often means significant changes to established workflows. Change management strategies such as clear communication, leadership support, and involving users early can help overcome resistance and ensure a smoother adoption process. Ignoring change management can lead to frustration and underutilization of the new system. Ongoing support and regular software upgrades are vital for keeping your WMS running smoothly and securely. Before purchasing, evaluate the vendor's support structure, response times, and upgrade policies. A strong support partnership can make the difference between long-term success and ongoing headaches. Warehouse data is valuable and often sensitive. Security features should be a top priority when selecting a WMS. Look for robust access controls, data encryption, and regular security updates. Neglecting security can expose your business to data breaches and operational disruptions. Companies must decide between cloud-based and on-premise WMS solutions. Cloud systems offer flexibility, scalability, and lower upfront costs, while on-premise solutions provide more control and may suit businesses with strict data requirements. Weigh the pros and cons carefully to choose the best fit for your organization. Modern warehouses rely on mobile devices for real-time updates and efficient workflows. Ensure your WMS supports mobile access, barcode scanning, and user-friendly interfaces. Mobile capabilities can significantly boost productivity and accuracy across your warehouse operations. A good WMS should provide robust reporting and analytics tools. These features help you monitor key performance indicators, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Don't overlook the importance of customizable dashboards and easy-to-understand reports when evaluating software options. Depending on your industry, regulatory compliance may be a critical factor. Your WMS should support compliance with relevant standards, such as food safety, pharmaceuticals, or hazardous materials. Failing to consider compliance requirements can result in costly fines or operational disruptions. The reputation and track record of your WMS vendor matter. Research customer reviews, case studies, and industry awards. A vendor with a history of successful implementations and satisfied clients is more likely to deliver a positive experience for your business. Ask vendors for references and case studies relevant to your industry and business size. Speaking with existing customers can provide valuable insights into real-world performance, support quality, and potential challenges. This step helps validate your decision before making a significant investment. Technology evolves rapidly, and your WMS should be able to adapt to future needs. Look for vendors with a clear product roadmap, regular updates, and a commitment to innovation. Future-proofing your investment ensures your warehouse remains competitive as new challenges and opportunities arise. Let's look at a few examples of customization in WMS. Some companies require custom workflows for unique picking processes, while others need integration with specialized hardware. However, each customization should be justified by a clear business need, not just a preference. Over-customization can complicate maintenance and upgrades. Mapping your warehouse workflows is a foundational step before selecting a WMS. Document each process, from receiving to shipping, and identify where automation or improvements are needed. This detailed map becomes your blueprint for evaluating software solutions and ensures nothing is overlooked. Migrating data from old systems to a new WMS can be challenging. Plan for data cleansing, mapping, and validation to ensure accuracy. Involve IT experts early and allocate sufficient time for testing. A smooth data migration sets the stage for a successful WMS launch. Before going live, comprehensive testing and validation are essential. Simulate real-world scenarios, involve end users, and document any issues. This step helps catch problems early and ensures the system performs as expected when it matters most. Preparing for go-live involves more than just flipping a switch. Develop a detailed cutover plan, communicate timelines, and provide extra support during the transition. Monitor performance closely in the first weeks, and be ready to address any issues quickly. After the WMS goes live, ongoing support is crucial. Set up a help desk, monitor user feedback, and schedule regular check-ins with the vendor. Early support helps resolve issues quickly and builds user confidence in the new system. A WMS is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Regularly review system performance, gather user suggestions, and implement improvements. Continuous improvement ensures your warehouse remains efficient and competitive as business needs evolve. Define clear success metrics before implementing your WMS, track improvements in accuracy, order fulfillment speed, and inventory turnover. Regularly report on these metrics to demonstrate the value of your investment and identify areas for further optimization. Learning from failed WMS projects can be just as valuable as studying successes. Common reasons for failure include lack of planning, poor user adoption, and underestimating complexity. By understanding these pitfalls, you can take proactive steps to avoid them in your own implementation. Let's consider a company that successfully implemented a WMS by following best practices. They conducted a thorough needs assessment, involved all stakeholders, and prioritized integration. As a result, they saw improved order accuracy, faster fulfillment, and a strong return on investment. In contrast, another company rushed their WMS purchase, skipped stakeholder input, and ignored integration needs. The result was a system that didn't fit their workflows, leading to frustration manual workarounds, and wasted investment. This highlights the importance of a careful, methodical approach. Some companies benefit from working with independent consultants during the WMS selection process. Consultants can provide unbiased advice, help map requirements, and guide vendor negotiations. While not always necessary, their expertise can be invaluable for complex or large-scale projects. To wrap up, here's a checklist for selecting the right WMS. Define your requirements, involve stakeholders, assess integration, plan for scalability, consider total cost, evaluate support, and test thoroughly. Following this checklist helps ensure a successful software investment. Needs assessment is the process of systematically identifying and evaluating the requirements of your warehouse operations. It forms the foundation for all subsequent decisions in the WMS selection process. A thorough needs assessment ensures the chosen software aligns with your business goals and operational realities. Integration refers to the ability of your WMS to connect and share data with other business systems, such as ERP, shipping, and accounting platforms. Effective integration streamlines operations, reduces manual entry, and improves data accuracy across your organization. Scalability is the capacity of your WMS to handle increased workloads, additional users, or new warehouse locations as your business grows. A scalable system protects your investment and ensures long-term operational efficiency. Total cost of ownership encompasses all expenses associated with a WMS, including licensing, implementation, training, support, and upgrades. Understanding the full cost picture helps you make informed decisions and avoid budget overruns. User adoption is the degree to which employees embrace and effectively use the new WMS. High user adoption is achieved through comprehensive training, clear communication, and involving users in the selection and implementation process. Change management involves preparing, supporting, and helping employees adapt to new systems and processes. Effective change management reduces resistance, increases user satisfaction, and ensures a smoother transition to the new WMS. Security in WMS refers to the measures taken to protect warehouse data from unauthorized access, breaches, and loss. This includes access controls, encryption, and regular updates to address emerging threats. Reporting in WMS provides insights into warehouse performance through dashboards, analytics, and custom reports. These tools help managers make informed decisions and track progress toward business goals. Compliance ensures your WMS supports adherence to industry regulations and standards. This is especially important for industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and hazardous materials, where regulatory requirements are strict and constantly evolving. In summary, the biggest mistake companies make when buying warehouse management software is failing to align the system with their real business needs. By conducting a thorough needs assessment, involving stakeholders, planning for integration and scalability, and focusing on user adoption, you can avoid costly errors and set your warehouse up for long-term success. Remember, a methodical approach pays off in efficiency, accuracy, and return on investment.